This month, being September, is the launch of the category in the platform, and October, which is next month, we're expecting the users to be airdropped with RPK token based on XP we are going to earn from this particular update.
Get airdrop rewards. Gone are those days when you interact with tokens for granted. At Republic, everyone can earn XP. Airdrop rewards are given at a periodic interval. You will receive a RPK token based on the SP you have earned in the proportion to the total of amount of SP across the platform. Okay, welcome to my channel. Hello, my people. This is your boys Weekend here. Please let me take a bit of your time. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Dedicated Crypto. This is where I share my updates, both crypto updates, and also trading update. That one is in my Facebook page in the description of this video, where you will see where I drop signals on how to trade crypto. That is for people that are trading. But in case this is your first time coming to my channel, please, I'm begging you guys, help this my channel to reach 5,000 subscribers. It's just 30 subscribers away from 5,000 subscribers. So if I can get new 30 people watching this video, I'm pretty sure that people is going to help me reach to 5k subscribers. It's a challenge I give to you guys, and I hope you guys will help me, because this my channel is something that you will not like to miss. So what I needed to do is to just drop a subscribe button here to help the channel grow, and then turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop any update, so that you get one of the first people to get it. Right, this particular update now is ending in 25th of this month, and you don't need to miss it. So that's why you need to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And also, lastly, drop a like. It has been long since I made a video. If I come back again with this kind of videos, and I need you guys to support me, to show me the reason more to come back to the channel after my sickness, to come back dropping videos for you guys again. And without saying much, let's dive into my video today. So if you follow the link in the description of this video, it will take you direct to this particular page where you need to click on go to the app, and it's taking you to Play Store or App Store depending on the phone you are using. So what you have to do is to click on install, just like I'm installing it now, and once the installment is done, the next thing you have to do is to click on open, and it's going to take you over to the app. This app is a social media app, and all you have to do is to click on get started, and then fill the required information by signing up with your email or network or Google account or Facebook account. For me, I normally like to sign in with Google account. The next thing is to select that you are over 13 years, and then accept the terms of servicing, and then it's going to ask you for username, display name, and all these things. So I'm not gonna take you guys along how to fill up, because this is kind of insulting you guys, showing you guys that you don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna do my own and come back with the video. And once you're done signing up, it's going to bring out like this, and this is my upliner, and that is why it's showing his face. So I'm gonna follow him, because it says when you follow me, I follow you back immediately. So I'm following him, and I think I'm expecting it to be my first follower also. So I think if you also drop a like, you also gain from the app. So after some time, I managed to grow around 57 followers just by signing up and trying to follow people. And as you can see, my notification, you will see that I keep on getting some people following me, and I also did some posts, and I earned some SP while being followed, and just going to the app every day, and also getting people to like my post. And so far so good, I've gotten 108 XP. That means 100 XP means more of their token once they begin to distribute their token to their SP holder, depending on the amount of SP you have earned while interacting with the app. And one thing I like about what they say in their white paper is that according to their white paper, they says on October, users are airdropped RPK token, that is their Republic token, are based on their XP balance. That means this SP that we are hunting from the platform, from the project, is going to be, we are expecting it to be airdropped to us by October, which is actually next month, by October. and according to the XP balance that we have from the platform. So that means I don't really know the reason why you would take this project serious. So all you need to do is to, when you are done signing up, try your best to hunt XP by inviting your friends. That is not compulsory though. Getting some amount of followers, each followers that you have, I think each 5 followers that you have, you always have 5 XP. So each 5 followers, 5 XP that you have, you always earn 5 XP. You earn 1 XP for using the app every single day. And also you can earn XP for giving likes on the people's post in the platform, something like this. So all you need to do is just keep on giving like to any post that you see. Give like, it's nothing there, there's nothing to lose there. Give like, interact with the platform. What they really want is people to interact with their platform, just like I'm giving like to this post now. After on some time, they're gonna reward me with the token which is required to, which is going to be allocated to me for liking the post. All you need to do is just for you to try your best to interact with the project and nothing more. So the more people you interact with, the more you earn. You can also add your own posts. As you can see, I've gotten my own post. All you need to do is to just add some files on your phone. You can make a post with pictures, you can make a post with videos. So there's nothing much here, there's nothing much to do. As for getting followers, it's very easy to get followers, guys. I don't even need to share my link to many people for me to get followers. All I need to do is just these little followers. I didn't even take the platform serious. I just decided to come back to it today after some days of signing up and starting the video. So and I've gotten 57 followers because I don't really take it serious. Imagine now that I'm trying to take it serious. On my next video on this particular project, you guys are gonna see my main followers. So all I need for you guys to do is to first of all follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to this particular platform and then interact with it, knowing fully well that next month they are gonna airdrop us with their token. So we don't have anything to lose here. We don't have anything to lose here. All I'm urging you guys to interact with the project and let's see what we get from it by next month. As for now, this is the end of this video. Let me remind you that this is my channel. This is Everyday Crypto and my name is Serious. See you guys on my next video. Bye.
And at last, please don't forget to follow up my Facebook page where I drop free trading signal, and I just added forex trading signal also. So follow my Facebook page where I will be dropping signal. If you check out the comment section, you'll be seeing the results of the signal which I'm giving on my Facebook page. So don't try and be left out on this particular free thing. It's very free. All I need is just people following me up and dropping a like on my post on my Facebook page. That is all I need from you guys. And I think I said see you guys on my next video once again. Bye.